Important things to know about affiliate marketing. If the thought of selling other people's products for a living makes you giddy, but you don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. Affiliate marketing is exciting. After watching these informative tips, you will have an understanding of how to go about becoming an affiliate marketer. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. It is important as an affiliate that you send your traffic to quality product pages, not to squeeze in pages and other undesirable pages that may turn them off. You can bypass opt-in pages of websites by using link cloaking tools and sending your customers directly to sales letters and landing pages. Make sure that the affiliate links on your site are related to the subject of your site. For example, if your blog is about sports, your customers want sports-related products. Affiliate links that are unrelated to sports will not get many clicks. For example, if you put a gardening tools affiliate link, don't expect it to get a lot of clicks. Choosing links that are relevant to your website is important because your readers will be more apt to click them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to enhance your review of the products you're promoting on your website. Simple reviews are okay, but reviews that contain screenshots, demonstrations or videos will definitely get the point across to your visitors. An enhanced review can convince your visitors that a product is good. Be sure to sign up for more than one affiliate program. In this way you will protect your income, and be able to produce a more interesting website with more to offer. If you are offering more than one kind of product or service, you won't go under if one company changes its policy or goes out of business. You will still have other sources of income to rely upon. A good affiliate marketing tip is to offer your customers a ticket to an event when they purchase your product. You can offer them a ticket to a sports event or even a music event. The important thing is to let your customers know that you appreciate their business. You can sell for others and you can make a nice living doing it. Now that you are armed with the very knowledge that you need to become an affiliate marketer, go ahead and dip your big toe in the affiliate marketing pool and don't be afraid to get wet. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.